Hello everyone. Let me introduce the EDGE new watch. The model number is Altay. The weight of the watch is 75 grams. The watch bezel is made of the stainless steel and the glass is mineral glass. The mineral glass is scratch resistant. The five buttons is also made of stainless steel, same as the watch bezel. The watch strap is made of the rubber and it's flexible. And there is many holes on the watch strap, and it made the wrist skin breathable and feel comfortable. General view. You can see its current time. Press the view button. It is sunset and sunrise time. It is stopwatch. It is countdown. It's week. It's day. It's second. Press the mode button. You can enter the altimeter mode. Its current altitude. Its time. Its temperature. Press the view button. It's the relative altitude. Its temperature. Press the mode button again. Then enter the campus. Press the view button. You can switch to from the time to this is the direction tracking function. If you want to see the air pressure, please long press the mode button. And select. Press the minus button to roll down the menu and select the altitude and bezel. Press the minus button. Select the profile. Select the barometer. Then return. Press the mode button. Now you can see the air pressure. When you first use the watch, how to set the time? Under the timed mode, long press the mode button. Then you can enter the setting mode. press the minor button or plus button, you can lower down or load up the menu. Then choose the time and day. And choose the time. Then you can set the hours, minutes, and seconds. Lower down the menu. Choose the day. You can set the year, month, day. Okay. How to set the sea level air pressure? For the first time you use the watch, you need to set the local sea level air pressure, because the sea level air pressure is very important. It's a standard, it's a base. You can get the sea level air pressure on the internet. And then long press the mode and select the altitude and bezel. Select the reference. Select the sea level. And then enter your sea level air pressure. For example, it is 1013. Return to time mode. Once the sea level air pressure was set, the watch can calculate the altitude based on the sea level air pressure. You can see the altitude is 27. Okay, campers. How to use the campers? Under the timed mode, we press the mode button again, then we enter the campers mode. We need to calibrate the campers at every time before we use it. So how to calibrate the campers? Long press the plus button and keep the watch leveled and rotate the watch smoothly. Okay, the calibration is finished and the camper is correct. You can see the 2 point. The 2 point is always point to the north. See? Point to the north, always. There's a direction tracking function. You can lock a direction, and then the watch campers will guide you along with it. So how to use the direction tracking function? Okay, under the campers mode and press the mute button. Okay, under the then we enter the direction tracking function. Okay, press the stop button. For example, we set the 107 degrees is our direction. Then we press the stop button. Okay, we set 110 is our correct direction. If you deviate the direction, there is an arrow on the top of the road to remind you that you need to turn left. Okay. If you see the symbol, it means that you are in the right direction. The direction is what you set before, 110. Okay. Okay. We deviation the direction again. Now you can see the arrows and the watch remind you that we need to turn right. Oh, okay. And the direction is correct. So if you use the direction tracking function, the watch will always remind you that if you are in your right direction or not. Temperature. How to check the temperature on the watch? You can check the temperature under the altitude mode or the air pressure mode. (33 degrees). Let's talk about the thermometer. The thermometer sensor is inside the watch. When you wear the watch on wrist, the temperature you read on the watch is impacted by our body's heat. If you want to take the room temperature, you may put the watch on the table for 15 minutes. Then you can read the correct room temperature on the watch. You also can set the units time unit 12 hours of 24 hours. Temperature unit. Air pressure unit. Altitude unit. Set the time alarm. Set a dual time. Also, you can choose the sunset and sunrise. Set the city where you are. Chicago, Mexico, New York. You also can long press the light button to lock the button. Long press. Okay, you can see there's a lock symbol. Then the button is locked. Open. Okay. Thank you for watching.